Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And we're traveling today just off historic Route 66 near Interstate 40 in extreme eastern New Mexico near the Texas border. We're traveling between Amarillo and Albuquerque. And I want to let you know about an exit you may want to take. Now, I was running on fumes and needed fuel. So I stopped at this place at exit number 369 off I-40. It's called Russell's Travel Center. Oh my goodness, what a surprise it is. Inside, believe it or not, an unbelievable classic car museum along with lots of other memorabilia. Again, it's inside this travel center. So what do you say we go inside and I'm going to let you guys check it out for yourselves. Of course, I'm sure you may have noticed in the video, the museum absolutely free. They do, however, accept donations, and those donations go towards helping many of the needy here in this portion of New Mexico. But still, a very pleasant surprise. Be prepared for some wind, though, in this part of the country. You can see my whole hair is standing up on it. The wind seems to always be blowing in this part of New Mexico, right near the Texas Panhandle. So again, we hope you enjoyed that. Keep subscribing to our channel. That, of course, is Traveling with Jack and Pam. I also invite you to check out my podcast, Love Letters to Pam, The Jack Church Show. Until we see you next time, you know what we always say, have a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. And bye now from Russell's Travel Center near the Texas-New Mexico line.